individually and putting the silicone under there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that now. Get my silicone, my caulk gun, and just again put a quarter size amount. And you might have to do a little cleanup just in case. Put a little bit too much silicone. And you don't necessarily have to use silicone. It's just something that you may have extra that you can use. We just want to try to help it to stay nice and tight to the ply board. And if you're on a budget, I mean, why not just use some material that you still have left over. Back down. And again, like I said, if you soldered these correctly, you should be able to pick them up like I am. But again, be fragile. I mean, they are fragile, so be careful with the solar cells. You don't want to break them at this point. And it's not like the glue dries immediately as you put these down, so you can't move them around. Because I'm going to put these towel spacers back in here just to make sure that they're still lined up the way I want them to. And you have to sometimes be careful with the towel spacers as well. I think I cracked one solar cell one time with the towel spacer. It was too close to the solar cell when I was trying to put it in inside the pegboard. So again, once we get done with this, we're going to do the same thing with the second column. And again, as you can see, it's just a whole lot easier doing it this way. And just press lightly on the middle. Make sure it's bonded with the silicone behind it. And again, I recommend using gloves. I mean, because you just don't want a lot of fingerprints on the solar cells. But I mean, it's not really going to affect the sun power that you receive, or the source of power that you receive. If there is some fingerprint. Alright, so it feels like that's nice and tight. And there we have it, and then we can start to move on to the next row. I'm just going to go ahead and take these back up, because again, I can't really pick up the other column with these towel spacers on here.